Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2022 Defender. If you are looking for a serious, all-around utility vehicle with reliability and style, then the Land Rover Defender is for you. This is the iconoclastic exploration vehicle. The full-time four-wheel drive, off-road British-made Defender is one vehicle that will get you in and out of some of the trickiest spots nature has to offer. The Defender has outstanding four-wheel agility and improved riding comfort too. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, panoramic roof, tow hitch, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, daytime running lights, LED headlights, supercharged, four-wheel disc brakes. Feel the rush of adrenaline as you accelerate into the future.